Welcome back, guys. So as you see, we know look down upon the title down below. We know see what I go on.
Yes, guys, we are doing an authentic Jamaican steam fish, but today we are steamed on this without the okra, right? And we have our onions, garlic, and our scallion along with our salt and pepper here. And in this pan we have our sweet potato, we have our Irish and our pumpkin along with our ground fish over here, and butter make it all better, right? So let's go.
Alright guys, so we know we do things a little different around here. So first we're gonna saute our seasoning.
That scallion that we showed you guys and all of them good stuff there. Yes guys, this is so aromatic already, guys. You don't know what to do.
Put a little stir. Cook until translucent.
Extract all that flavor. Yes guys.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna add some pimento seed in.
Flavorful. Stir him up. Yes guys.
And along with the pimento seed there, guess what come next?
If you know us, you know some bay leaf. Oh yes.
Alright guys, so along with that now,
we're going to extract all of that flavor.
and now I'm going to add the cut up food. You know, the little something that we're just showing over there. So.
Yes guys, and if you haven't checked it out, check out our curry fish, guys. That was a bang banger.
Alright, so now we're going to add the food.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yes guys. And guys, everybody cook a little bit different. The chef knows how, the cook knows how, the chef knows why, and we do this because we don't want the foods to get saggy and too soft, right?
So coat them in the oil so it
just
hold shape
and cook throughout without breaking up and all of that, right? So if you never tried this technique before, definitely go ahead and give it a try.
Alright, okay, season the food. Some
This is salt and pepper. Yeah.
Just enough. Give it another stir. Get everything together.
Yes.
So we're going to cover this, make it sweat a little.
Alright guys, so when they start the sweating process, and it is called steaming, but as you know, Caribbean we say sweating, so this is steaming the food, right? So when the steaming process has started, we're going to come back and get out the rest of the cooking so forward. Yes, the egg. Aroma. Perfume for the kitchen, guys. So amazing.
It's about that time now, guys, and this is what I go on. Tell me, say I don't love this.
I know you guys.
Tell me you guys aren't loving this right now.
I know you guys love it, so just know we're going to add that butter, makes it all better kind of stuff. Oh yes. Look at that, guys.
Get it all together, guys.
This is gonna be buttery, creamy, and so lovely, guys.
Some people tend to use coconut milk in their steamed fish, but we are keeping it authentic.
Yes.
Get this butter properly melted out.
And guys, drop it down below and tell us the seafood dishes or any dishes that you guys want to see us prepare. If you want more dessert, more baking, more on the seaside, more on the poultry, more on the meat, whatever you guys want, leave it down in the comment section. And I must say thank you guys for being here with us. We really appreciate each and every one of you guys. We appreciate the love. Shava Mercy, big up yourself. Art I love every time. Coming with that fish stock. Yes guys, so we're just going to allow this to cook the food, because as you know, fish tends to cook easily and we don't want this fish to break up and all of that. So we're just going to allow this to cook the foods, and then when the foods are al dente, we're going to add our fish so forward again.
Let this go and simmer down.
Simmer down. Hey.
Alright, so we're soon forward as Chef Alexander just said, guys.
Soon forward.
Soon return.
Yes guys, so it's soon that time to add the fish, so we're just going to season this
lightly. So I add a little garlic powder.
And as we said, guys, or twist or take, right? So if you don't do it this way, that's just that.
Salt and pepper. Lightly.
Rub him up. Yes, guys. And drop it down in the comment section. What's your favorite way of eating fish? Whether it's steamed, curry, fried, whatever way. Let us know.
Repeat the same for the other side. Salt and pepper again.
Sprinkle from high so it's evenly
spread.
Right there.
Little garlic powder.
Yes, guys.
Rub him in.
Rub up, and rub up.
Alright. So now, guys, we're gonna submerge these fishes in the steam sauce.
Let's go.
Or this gravy, whichever way Uno terms it, but it's sauce for us because you don't know a beer sauce we make. We don't go gravy.
Alright, guys, come. Let's go. Guys, look at that rich. Look at that. Lovely, right? So we're just going to add the seasoned fish. Guys, when are you guys gonna swing by? The cookout is coming up. Be on the lookout. Real good, right?
Sinking properly, understand?
Yes, guys. This is so amazing.
Try them now, go all, guys. So we're gonna do them in a sequential order.
Yes, guys.
So deal with them two here first. We'll make up the next sauce and thing off camera for the next one, but just watch how I go on.
Yes, guys. Next time you guys seen us is when we're giving these a turn or basting up whatever it is. So forward. Let's go. Yes, guys. Time to give these a turn. And look at that. Guys, the pot full enough. The pot full, I say. We have to try and make some space for the crackers. Guys, this is so rich. So rich. This is lovely, guys. Look at that, guys.
It is how our fish can broke up.
And this is the reason. And guys, we are using Excelsior cinnamon crackers. So yeah, this is going to give it a whole different vibe. Whole different vibe. Alright, guys, next time you guys seeing us, it's time for that bad plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers and leave them comments down there.
So forward.
So forward. Yes, guys, look at that. This aroma. Sure. Yes, guys.
Gonna forward over the plating station and come watch what's happening.
Let's
remember, if you're a drinker, get a special. If you're a smoker, get what you like. Don't go nowhere. We're soon forward.
Guys, get on the movement with God here. Let's go. Yes, guys. So start dropping the comments, guys. Oh yes. Yes, are you guys seeing that steam? Oh yes, all that goodness. Like when grandma said, "Oh my goodness," all of that right there.
The juice. You know what come next?
What's up, guys? You guys know what's coming next? Star Addy. Sure. Oh, the man nice, man. Get pillar for lie down pan. Hey, yeah. Sure, look at that. Lovely. Yes, guys. Let us hear you guys down in the comment section.
Alright guys, so we don't have to guess what comes next, because we must know now.
What's that, guys? What's coming? No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. There you have it. Oh yes. That's the vibe, right? You realize that the crackers are not plucked. They're nice and al dente. Yes, guys. Still has that crunch. Yes, guys. All right, look at that. Look at that, guys. What time you guys think it is? What next? Let us know. Let us know. Time for that garnish. Oh yes. Yes, guys. I'm hearing you guys in the comment section. I'm hearing you guys. Alright guys, so just I go clean up the plate. Oh, so forward again. Yes guys, look at that. Lovely, innit? Yes guys, remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Ensure that you guys are following us on TikTok, because we have some exclusive content over there as well. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?